Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome with a new video. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to my YouTube channel because here I will share my self-given analysis of the exams, exam updates and my scorecards. So let's get started. In this video, I am going to share the self-given analysis of OICL Assistant Prelims. These are all the answers for the close test. I only remember this much and I don't even know whether it is correct or not. Okay, so it was like he dash into bedroom. So I thought the goes will fit here. So I marked the goes into. But somewhere I was having confusion between the goes and went also. So do let me know which one is correct according to you. So I marked goes into. Okay. Then one was there. It was like he saw the gift and he dashed to the hall or living room, like that it was there. So the best suited word for that blank would be brought, I think, because according to the options I felt brought will be the correct answer. Okay, and one more answer was there. I don't remember which blank it was. Okay, so then one more I marked it as though, because there the sentence was telling like he had all the things already, like that, but still she gave some gift, so like that it was giving some meaning. So I thought still she brought the gift, so the answer will be though. So like that I thought and marked though. And options were like however, whatever, while, and though was also there, so I marked this. I don't know whether it is right or wrong, but I marked this. Okay, then RC part. So one, there was a blank. I don't know why I marked something as a standby, like that. I don't know what was the answer for the blank also, because it was like he was it was describing some qualities of him, like sorry, I'm unable to recollect it, because it was like he is dash and dash. I mean, the blank was not there, but they were explaining some of his characteristics. It's like a loyalty, like that. Some other words were there, but there I think I marked something which was like standby. I don't know. Okay, then they asked the synonym for the word right. So according to passage, like it was I mean the sentence was like right connections. Okay, so for that synonym I marked as appropriate, and I was having a confusion between the privilege and appropriate, but I marked it as appropriate. And one more thing, that is they asked the synonym for the word empty. So according to that passage, I thought pointless will be the correct answer. And there were 5 error detection questions. I think I attempted 2 questions, but currently I don't remember what are the answer for. This was it was a bit confusing. I mean, it was actually good because this is a new type, but it was confusing. So 3 to 4 questions were there. I don't remember the questions now, like tremendous, surveillance, deceased, and some more words were there, convenience, so etc. But I don't remember the exact question. Okay, then 4 phrase replacement questions were there, so they were also doable. Okay, and I think this was one of the answer in the phrase replacement type. The question was like they looked down, something shame, so like that it was there. So in the options, hung their heads was matching there, so I marked this. Then and 3 more phrase replacement question were there, but I don't remember now. Okay, then there was a parajumble sequence, means a small sentences. They were very easy. So 3 to 4 questions were there. Okay, so overall in English section, this section I felt it's quite tricky. It's not that difficult, but it was tricky. So compared to the NICL assistant and NIACL assistant, so this was quite on higher level. So I attempted only 25 questions out of 30. but I made many mistakes because I am not sure about some of the options which I have marked. Actually, I was having a headache, so my mind was also not working properly at that time. So next is the reasoning section. So this is the square based seated arrangement. Like four were facing outwards, four were facing inwards. The corner people were facing inside. So this is the answer I got. So you can check it with yourself. Here it was very easy. I was getting two possibilities and one was ruled out. Okay, it was very easy. So five questions were there. Like a common type, like clerical level. Okay, there was a height based puzzle. So this is a sequence which I got, TRUQPS. So it was also doable. Okay, and this is a stack based. This one also easy. Like I got the sequence as GBHECFAD. Okay, so it was also doable. So then, so there was one question that is of designation based. So I really wasted a lot of time in this because I was getting two possibilities, and I don't know whether I wrote this condition wrong or not. But even after I am getting the answer, I was not able to identify. That time my mind was blank, so I was struggling to identify because I don't know whether the as the J is immediately senior to L or the L is immediately senior to J. So actually it was I got panicked here. See, they have mentioned that the J is not a manager and J is neither a manager nor DGM. So I got this sequence. Even after getting the sequence, I was not sure whether I got the answer or not. So I wasted a lot of time on this. So and I left it. Okay, and last I did the coding decoding. So this was very easy. Five questions were there. Then there was rearranging the alphabetical order. We have to identify which of the following will remain unchanged. I think I got here none as answer. Do let me know in the comment sections. Like and I think the question, I think it was outbreak. Okay, so even after arranging it in the alphabetical order, so there was no element which was coming, which remained unchanged. Okay, so I marked it as none. So do let me know whether I marked it correct or not. And one more miscellaneous question. So here, like we have to identify formation. I don't know what we call, I mean under which category it comes. So I got the answer 3. Okay, and then yes, 4 log questions were there. They are also very easy. Okay, so in reasoning only I attempted 29 questions. So next we'll move on to the quant section. So this is the arithmetic answer for profit and loss. It was very easy. It was a direct question. So they asked the CP and they gave the percentage, 25 percentage profit, and they also gave the SP. So we have to find the CP. So the answer is 360. And the age based problem, I don't know how I got 36 as answer. So I saw some of the discussion groups, they were telling like they got the answer as 48, but I don't know why I got 36. Something as like this. So there I got this one as answer. So later I subtracted this from some value, then I got 36 as answer. So I don't know it was for this question only or not, but for age based I got 36. I don't know whether this is wrong. Maybe I am wrong. Then speed of the boat stream speed. So I got the 2 meter per second. So this one I didn't solve because while I was writing the condition, the time was already up. Okay, so there was one question, I think it was like percentage based. So P, some person, he gave his money to the Anthony, I don't know whether what is the name, honey, some Leo something. Okay, he gave 20 percentage, 10 percentage, 50 percentage to him. Okay, and later this Anthony spent 90 percentage of the amount he got, and here this honey, he spent half of his money got from the person P. Okay, and L spends like 80% of what he got. Okay, so later the left out and money means the savings of them will be 68,000 they had given in the question. So they asked I think the sum of the money got by the Honey and Leo, like that. But in that exam I was not getting the answer which was there in the option. I got panicked somewhere, so that's why I didn't answer this. I only marked the answer at 40,000, and one more answer was there, question was there. I didn't answer it. So do let me know what was the answer. Then okay, this was arithmetic question. I got 9 days. Like A do the work in 10 days, B in 15 days. Okay, and A alone work for 4 days, that is 12. Okay, so if I subtract 12 from 30 I will get 18, and they asked the remaining work will be done by B in how many days. So this will be 9 days. Okay, so after this there was one DI. It was very easy, so 5 questions were there. I got one as approximate value, like percentage, that is 32. Okay, that's it, and all the questions were doable. Then there were I think 10 to 15 questions were there on simplification, so it was very easy. And the number series, one was following the pattern of cubes, then prime numbers, then multiply by 2 and add 2 to it. And one was like the multiples of 4, I mean sorry, twice, like 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So like this it was following the pattern, means multiples. A consists of the 5 consecutive odd numbers, and they had given the sum of them, that is 135 I guess. Then another set B, which having the consecutive which is having the consecutive numbers of 5 consecutive numbers. Okay, if this first number is this is 9 more than the second largest number from set A. Okay, so I got the value of x as 23. So later I got the answer as 89. I don't know whether it was 86 or 89, but at that time I got the answer as 89 only, so I marked this. I may be wrong here, because after coming from the exam hall some were telling that they got 86, like that, but I got 89. I don't know why I made mistake. So that's it. In quants my attempts are only 31. I could have done 2 to 3 questions more in this one, but I was not able to do it. So overall attempts in each section is 25 in English, 29 in reasoning, 31 in quant. So total 85. I know it is very bad attempts, because see, in the exam I was really having a severe headache, so I was not able to focus on the exam properly. That's why my reasoning section spoiled out. So even after solving the question, that is the puzzle, I got the answer, but still my mind was so blank that I was not able to identify that I got the answer already. I have solved the question already, but that's fine. I can't do anything now. But English section was tricky, and I think I made mistakes here also. Okay, and in quants, so quant also I think I made mistake. It was super easy, but still I attempted only 85 question. Okay, so that's it. If you know any other questions other than this which I have discussed now, do let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching, and do subscribe my channel for more self-given analysis like this, and follow Banking Spark.